Hey everybody, it's Jesse. I just got a new PC to be able to handle live streaming, and I need to set it up. So today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a brand new PC with Node.js. And I'll probably split it up and do some other videos with how to set up some of the other things that I normally use to do web development. So the only thing I've done so far is start it up, go through the normal Windows setup when you get a new Windows PC. I've downloaded Chrome and I've set that to my default browser. And so I haven't done anything extra after that. And then I just typed in Node.js download into Google search, and I'm going to click the first thing, right, nodejs.org, and it's going to go to the downloads page. And I'm going to go to this LTS. Okay, you could go to current, which gives you the latest version. If you want, that's fine, but it might be a little bit more buggy than the stable version. So we're going to do Windows installer, right? So here I'm on Windows. It should detect what you're using automatically. Oops. And so I'm going to click that and download it. And downloaded pretty quickly. I guess it's not opening automatically. Open window. Maybe it just wasn't done yet. There we go. Should be opening now. There we go. Just took a minute. Okay, so the font's a little small. I don't know how to increase the font for the setup wizard, so I'm going to read it out. We're just going to hit next. We're going to accept the terms, and you really don't need to customize anything. So I'm going to go through, just keep clicking next and install. I'm set up as an administrator. If you're not the administrator on your computer, then you'll need to get an administrator password to be able to install this. So it will prompt you for that. Okay, otherwise, you should be able to just continue with the install. Okay, so it says Node is successfully installed. Let's test that out. And here's how I want to test it out. We're going to go to the command line. And I don't actually. I'm usually on a Mac, so let me see how this command prompt. There we go. All right, so we have the command prompt here, and I'm going to type node and -v, and it's going to tell me. Let me make this bigger. The default command line is not letting me make it bigger. I'll read it out if you can't see it. It just says version 10.15.1. Okay, so we have Node. We should also have NPM. So we have NPM version 6.4.1. So that's it. That's how you install Node. Yeah, so that's actually really, really short. So this is only a 4-minute video at this point. I guess I'll leave it at that. It'll just be a quick video. I'm going to record the next video immediately, and when we're going to set up Visual Studio Code, and we're going to make sure that we can run Bash. That's going to help us with a lot of our command line stuff, and maybe we even get a custom Bash profile set up. But that's it. That's all you need to install Node. Now you can use Node Package Manager. So whenever you see a package JSON on a project in GitHub, you'll be able to pull in all those packages. And really, like at this point, you're ready to go. You could choose whatever code editor you want to use. All right, but I'm going to continue with the next in this series of videos to show you exactly how I set things up, for me. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. This is for Windows. The process on Mac is almost exactly the same. So this could definitely work for Mac as well. You would just choose the download for Mac, right, instead of for Windows. And let me find my button to end the video, and then I'll see you on the next video.